You don't like the way your fireplace looks, or you think brass is ugly because times have changed? The easiest way to change the look of your fireplace is to put a new set of fireplace doors on. This is kind of where they start for aftermarket fireplace doors. They're in that 300 to 350 range, but there's some distinct advantages. One, they're not in a track. They're on magnets, so they're easy to open and close. They fold all the way back. The glass is tinted. They come with a screen, and they just screw into the fireplace. And this is a great way to do that. So if you want to spend a little bit more money because you have different tastes, we can make them custom sized to order. You choose the finish, you choose the glass, you choose what kind of screen you want, and we have lots and lots of options. So we just have a few of them displayed here. And then let me bring you over here and show you what you can do to reface the entire portion of your metal box or zero clearance fireplace if you don't want to see the louvers and you just want it to look clean and new.
Conquer job chaos with Builder Trend.